Welcome to Dave's Whiskey Corner in the corner of Dublin. Today I'm taking a look at this whiskey here. It's made by an Irish company called Origin Spirits. Origin Spirits are in Tipperary. Origin Spirits, they're famous for making a single malt gin and a single malt vodka. So we decided to make a single malt Irish whiskey. But there's a difference with this one. It's a seaweed cask finish. Normally in Ireland, maybe in Europe, even in America, seaweed whiskey, where did they get it from I don't know, but they wanted to do something different. Now with this it works, but they haven't something, it's nice. Now the idea with it is to make it different. They want to get something new on the market to make a few bob, which is right in a way. Right? It's non-chill filtered, which I like, thumbs up, non-chill filtered. There's no age statement on it, but I reckon it's probably a 3 to 4 year old whiskey. And it's a single malt, so we always go for a single malt, right? We'll do it on the nose for smell, on the palate for taste. I'll pour a drop in here because you might need a little bit of air to get on it. And then I'm going to tell you how this seaweed cask thing's finished. Right, single malt, one distillery. I think it's a bourbon cask finish by the smell and the taste off already. I took a sup out of it. But what they do with the seaweed cask is somebody goes off to the coast of Clare, they harvest the seaweed, they send it off to be dried. Now when you stand on dried seaweed on your holidays, it's all crunchy. What they do with that seaweed then is they get a virgin oak cask, something similar to this, but there's nothing in it. There's been no whiskey in the virgin oak cask. They then put this kombu seaweed into the whiskey cask. They get a blower, some sort of flamethrower or something like that, burn the kombu seaweed in the cask, roll it around so the flame and the smoke is all in the inside of it. So then eventually when it's in here and it's all gone through all the cask, they put it out, right? They put it out. Then after that then, the single malt whiskey that you originally had goes into this cask for 3 months. 3 months, that's all, because after that there's a different smells, a different taste of it. So that's how they get the kombu seaweed to work with the cask and the whiskey. It's unusual, I know, but we're going to give it a go and see what it's like, and I'll let you know if I can recommend this. We'll do it on the nose. As I always say, don't get it in there, just gently. 1, 2. Right, you can get the seaweed, the kombu seaweed smell, but also coming through in this, I'm getting coffee. God, it's a lovely smell. Coffee, raisins, toffee's coming through there as well. And go on the palate for tasting and see what it's like. But remember, seaweed whiskey. Let's see. Now it has got a kick off it. It's a good kick off it. Good bit of spicy there coming through. Warm, but a good warm. All down the back of your throat. Obviously, the kombu seaweed, the dried kombu seaweed. Salted caramel. Now coffee as well. Toffee. Dark chocolate. Spiced caramel. It's lovely, it's real warm going through. Definitely get the taste of the seaweed coming through. It's a good thing. It's a real warm whiskey on it. Now, this was recommended to me by a man called Tony Lundy. He's from Galway. So he said to me, it's a real good one, Dave, why don't you try it? Now it is a good one. It was €55. I tried all the off licence around here and in Dublin to get it, but I couldn't get it anywhere. I had to get it from the Whiskey Corner at the end of Grafton Street. Now for €55 it's well worth a try. But Currach, now where are we getting Currach from? Obviously Currach is the west coast of Ireland boat. It's made with tar, old animal skins. And the monks used that boat first originally to get all around Ireland and Europe, to bring back all their artefacts and put their religion all over the world. And it's even meant to go that someone told me some of these boats even made it to America. Not the small little ones, the big ones. Currach. It's a good old name on it as well if you think about it, but these guys are after trying something different. Fair play to them. It's Irish for €55. single malt Seaweed cask, and my pal Tony Lundy recommended to me. So would I recommend it? I would. But remember, give it a go. And the Seaweed, you don't really get it into it, but I do really like this. Would I recommend it? Yes. Currach Seaweed cask finish. Now remember, it's burned into it. It's not handfuls of seaweed picked out of the sea and put into it. It's dried, it's put into the cask, it's then took out after it's been burnt, so the smell is in the cask, and it's only in it for 3 months. So would I recommend this? Currach single malt, non-chill filtered, 46%, no age statement, young whiskey, 3 to 4 year old whiskey. I'd give it a go if you're looking for something different. Now, I'm not having 3 or 4 subs. The first one, you'll say to yourself, oh, it's a bit odd. But the second one, the third and fourth one, yeah, it does go down an awful lot easier. There's a bit of spice in it, there's no afterburn. So I would recommend you go out and take this one. Go out and buy it in the shop, because I'd recommend it, yeah. Thanks for watching Dave's Whiskey Corner. If you like, press like. If you don't like, don't press like. Thank you.